You know, I know it's important, Hurricane Alex and all that, but Chris wants to know if it's going to rain Saturday morning when he plays basketball.
Saturday, we got some outdoor plans.
You know what? Maybe a slight chance for showers, but that's all.
All right.
Is that out of the way now?
Yeah, I like it custom and catered forecast for me on Saturday mornings.
How come it's never custom and catered with kolaches in here for these forecasts? Yeah. Hey, we, of course, have Hurricane Alex. It is going to move into Mexico later this evening into the overnight hours. Now, if you look at the numbers here, you see, okay, winds at 80 miles per hour, gusts to 98. If it's not going to hit here in Texas, why bother? It's going to drag a lot of moisture in with the energy that it puts together in the atmosphere. It's likely that we will see more bands of heavy showers roll through today and tomorrow, even into Friday, so our rain chances are very good. Let me go ahead and put this in motion. Notable items here. It's a Category 1 right now. Is expected to be Category 2 briefly before it makes landfall, and then, of course, will start to die out. Pulls a lot of moisture in around this storm system, and that is going to move into Texas. The heaviest of rainfall will be in deep South Texas. Corpus Christi National Weather Service office, which is not, it's obviously not Brownsville, it's up the coast a little bit. They're expecting 4 to 6 inches of rain, possibly up to 10 inches, obviously down in Brownsville. More. We have just bands of showers that will move through, so something to watch for. And also, if you have family and friends down that way and they're thinking, I don't really know, tell them, come on up. It's, you know, we typically will lose power. You'll have streets that are flooded. It puts a strain on the emergency management folks, folks that are trying to get out there and help everybody else. Go ahead and invite them in. Clouds, showers, obviously. Also want to point out, you see all the counties, and that's, of course, Travis and Williamson County right here. All of these counties, including now all the counties for San Angelo's National Weather Service office, now under a flash flood watch through this evening. And that's likely going to be the case for tomorrow. Why? Well, we have bands of showers. That wouldn't be such a big deal, except that over the past couple of days, we've had quite a bit of rainfall. In fact, some very heavy rainfall in southern parts of Travis County through downtown Austin. 3, 4, 5, even 6 inches of rain. Jim recorded one near Davis Lane of 6.1 inches of rainfall. So with all of that rain and more rain on the way, flooding would be our problem here. Watch for that. Now, as we get into the temperatures, mid-70s, not a big deal. Winds have been picking up a little bit out of the north-northeast at 15 miles per hour. We were figuring 5 to 15. We're at it right now. Humidity at 88%. Our temperatures around the area, just a hodgepodge of numbers, but all in the 70s. 73 Mason and Fredericksburg, 77 in LaGrange, 76 here in Austin. Outside with the shower possibilities yesterday being fairly heavy in Austin, and then, of course, fading out overnight. It is a little better defined this morning. Coming in along the Texas coast. See these bands that run in and around that area of low pressure? You'll see showers form up in lines. So if you're watching the radars, if you see some cloud cover form up, you may be a little bit better as in an opportunity for showers there, and especially into the heating of the day. We could see some thunderstorms here locally. Just plan for rain and thunderstorms. That's the best advice I have for you, and limit the outdoor activities. Once we get into heavy rain moving through the area, if you can stay off the roadways, best bet. Just to hang in there. You know it's bad around here. We have a lot of folks, especially at drive time this evening, that'll try to get home, and with a lot of rainfall, it just makes it worse. So heavy rainfall down to the south, moving into our area, possibility for rain over the next couple of days. Hunker down, you'll be fine. 89 degrees, cloud cover thunderstorms this afternoon. Winds out of the northeast at 5 to 15. This continues overnight. Bands of showers, at times heavy, maybe a little bit of thunder and lightning out of this as well. This will be the case over the next couple of days. 70% chance for rain today, 80% tomorrow, 50% on Friday. And then everybody gets this nice little long weekend for July 4th. I think just an isolated afternoon shower possible. Highs in the 90s, lows in the 70s. Same for Tuesday of next week. First warning weather on the radio with Magic 95.5 and Talk Radio 1370 AM.